Alrighty, so it appears under Part 135 of FAA regulations, Amazon has received federal approval to operate its fleet of prime air delivery drones. Fuck me. What's good, everybody? Ken here, and sort of a bittersweet bit of news today because I don't know about you, but I love ordering shit on Amazon, and wouldn't it be cool to be able to have a prime air drone deliver you whatever it is you ordered in a relatively reasonable amount of time? It sounds awesome unless you fly for a living or you're in the drone hobby, then it's not so awesome. So today, Amazon was granted approval to operate their fleet of prime air delivery drones past visual line of sight. We would be naive to think that this wasn't going to ever gain approval because UPS and others did receive approval to fly their units as well beyond visual line of sight, yet nobody has successfully really operated or carried out extensive operations that would, sort of, I guess, act in the same fashion that Amazon potentially would. Amazon is talking about deliveries to your doorstep, which means neighborhoods around the US could potentially see these little units hovering around, delivering shit that you ordered. So the certification is important step forward for prime air. It indicates the FAA's confidence, and I'm quoting CSNBC, that they are going to be able to safely operate these autonomous drones beyond visual line of sight. Because remember, they're going to probably fly these from some sort of hub or something, or maybe a distribution center, and those distribution centers could be miles away. We don't know how this is actually going to play out. So they're fully going to integrate these delivery drones into airspace and work closely with the FAA regulators to work around the world to realize their vision of a 30-minute 30-minute delivery. Fuck this. Okay, so all joking aside, there's a lot of details that are being left out, like how high are these drones going to fly? What is their airspace? The airspace is a huge, huge place. And I think it's gonna be really important as we move forward, especially with the implementation of remote ID, that we identify where these crafts are going to essentially be. They have yet to really determine that, or, I guess tell us that information. Oh boy, it's sort of scary to see this. Anyways, Amazon also added that the Prime fleet isn't ready to immediately deploy. So right now, today, 2020, August 31st, is it the 31st? I don't even freaking know what day it is. August 31st, is that a day? Is today the August 31st? I don't even know, it's the 31st. I don't even know what day it is. They all blend together. No immediate threat to the hobby today. So my advice to you is, if you're thinking about buying a new drone or waiting for a drone, quit fucking waiting and buy a drone, because there's gonna be a fleet of fucking robotic Amazon deliveries that are going to be happening. So stop waiting for the Mavic 3. By the time the Mavic 3 happens, you may not be able to fly, you fucking asshole. What the hell's wrong with you? So right now, there's a lot that they still have to work out, but my guess is the next 2 years, we will see the first Amazon deliveries happening in a wide scale. So like I said, as of right now, there's no immediate danger at this immediate moment, but just like anything, don't let this go to the wayside. Keep it in the forefront of your mind. Amazon's got a shit ton of money to make this work. In 2019, there was also submitted a petition for FAA approval for these plans, which I think was denied. And that was also to allow them to fly over low population areas. So doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to be able to deliver to every single area. They're probably going to test this in areas of low concern first before they deploy this out to cities and things like that where there are a heavy population. So, very, very scary stuff. But we'll have to see how this is going to play out. Right now, the only thing we have is the fact that, they got approval. So go fly your drone. I'll link the article down below if you want to read it. I wouldn't get totally depressed over it, but it is something to be a little bit of concern. All right, that's going to do it. Hope you enjoy your day. Go fly and be original.